Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga paparating na mensahe, energies, at gabay for Cancer sa buwan ng September. For Cancer, please, messages and energies for Cancer. The Lovers, intimate relationship, carefully weigh your decisions, and good health, okay? Yeah, for the month of September, you will be making a choice or a decision. So make smart or wise decision for yourself. Magiging concern or magiging sentro ng inyong energy ang relasyon, okay? Or intimate relationship. Yeah. To pursue or not to pursue someone. Okay, to forgive or not to forgive. So those are the questions for you, Cancer. Okay. Yeah. So this is love in all shapes and forms, joy and celebration at the same time for the month of September. Okay. Additional messages for Cancer, please. Cancer. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be setting boundaries. You will be showing, parang magpapakita kayo ng lakas or katapangan, confidence sa sarili. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be able or you will know, you will learn how to say no. Okay? You will be protective of yourself, no? Or defensive. Yeah. There will be success, victory, achievement, a happy home life, contentment. Okay. Yeah, that's for some of you, Cancer. Yeah, improvement in your money. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are holding on tight with your money, okay? Or with your energy. Yeah. The Hermit. Isolation. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be looking for answers. You need enlightenment in your situation. You will be seeking enlightenment. Okay? Yeah, yung iba, you will getting information or you will be receiving an information. And magkakaroon kayo ng what do you call this? Mag-iisip, no? Or pagninilay-nilay na tinatawag, okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Let's see, tingnan natin. So, yeah, you're holding on tight to money for some of you. You don't want, parang ayaw mo mag-spend, ano? Ayaw mong gumastos. Ang sa isip mo ngayon is mag-save, okay? Yeah. Seven of Wands. Ano to yung Seven of Wands? Knight of Pentacles. Okay, you will be protecting your energy. Okay, maybe parang someone siguro merong gusto mag-pursue sa inyo, mag-offer ng something. Okay. Or this is you. Okay. The Nine of Wands, no? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you will have the courage to move on with your life. Kumbaga, nahihirapan man kayo, okay? But still, parang kailangan mo mag-move on, no? You have to protect, parang kailangan mo protektuhan yung sarili mo. This is from someone, maybe someone would like to offer you, or would like to communicate with you, no? Or gagawa ng hakbang or na paraan na lumapit sa inyo, okay? You are defensive or you are showing strength, no? Or meron kang pride, Cancer. Okay. Four of Wands. Ano to? For Cancer. Queen of Wands na. Okay. Meron kang achievement, no? May magandang achievement kang for the month of September, Cancer. You will feel confident. Okay. Yeah. You are charming, you are intelligent, you are talented, okay? There will be a celebration. For some of you, you are moving forward with your creative project or business. Okay? Merong contentment sa home life mo or sa sitwasyon mo. Financially man to or sa career. You are being creative for the month of September. Okay? Okay. So, Two of Swords. Yeah. So, you will be overcoming, ano? Kung dati parang indecisive ka, parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? But now, you will gain confidence and clarity in your situation. Okay? Yeah. Maybe this is referring also to your love situation or relationship. Maybe someone did something wrong, no, on you. And gumagawa ngayon ng action towards you. But you are learning now how to say no. Okay? Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Nine of Cups. Okay? You are cautious about someone. Okay? Yeah. Someone wants to express their love, but you're holding on to your energy. Okay? Maybe yung iba sa inyo, niyayaya kayo lumabas, but it seems that parang you're not interested. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you want to save money or you don't want to spend. Yeah, the Hangman. Okay? Yeah, you don't want to take actions. No? Para kayo, siguro yung iba sa inyo, parang tinatamad kayo, no? Maybe someone, parang maybe they're inviting you to go out, pero parang ayaw mong lumabas, no? Okay, because you don't want to spend money. Parang gusto mo pag-isa. Okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, for some of you, Cancer, you want to express your feelings, you want to communicate with someone, you want to take some action, but at the same time, parang there is within you na parang ayaw mo din gumawa ng action. Alam mo yun? Parang meron kang urge na gawin yun, na gumawa ng ganun, na gumawa ng aksyon or ng hakbang. Pero at the same time, hindi mo rin siya gagawin. Parang ganun na energy. Okay? Parang kino-conserve mo yung energy mo or ayaw mo magparamdam. Something like that. Okay? So, maybe this is about relationship, no? Tingnan natin the Hermit. Oh, Page of Pentacles. Ayan, parang pinag-iisipan mo, no? Mag-communicate ka ba or hindi? Tatawag ka, mag-text or hindi? Yeah, for some of you, you are waiting for someone to do that for you. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, like, if this is you, Cancer, you are waiting on someone na magparamdam or na mag-take ng action towards you, na puntahan ka. Okay? Kasi parang ayaw mong mauna. Ayaw mo na ikaw yung mag-take ng initiative una. Okay? Yeah. Page of Pentacles, yes. Iniisip mo, ano kaya nangyayari sa taong ito? Why hindi siya nagpaparamdam, hindi siya nagko-communicate? Okay? That is for some of you. Just take what resonates and leave it kung hindi para sa inyo. Yeah, you want some enlightenment. You want answers. Ano itong page of... Yeah. Okay, maybe you really want this person, no? Baka you want to get together with this person. But you're thinking about them. Okay? But then, parang walang action. Okay? Yeah, you are waiting on someone. Maybe... Yeah. So, merong isolation sa part mo. Parang isolation. Parang gusto mo lang mag-isa, no? In your situation. Okay? Maybe you're thinking about togetherness with that person or with that someone. Yeah. You're thinking about yourself. You're thinking about your future. Maybe you want to have, parang gusto mo na magkaroon ng sarili mong family. Okay? This is for some of you. Okay? Something like that. Okay? So, the focus of your energy sa buwan ng September is about relationship, no? To do or not to do, to pursue or not to pursue, making wise decisions, smart choices also, no? For yourself, for your future. Okay, Cancer. When it comes to work, you are doing fine, you are doing well. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano yung mga additional na message for Cancer. Dog. Protection from a powerful friend. Okay. Merong basket. Recognition. Reward for merit. Wow. So, there is a reward. Your hard work is being recognized. Napapansin ang skills ninyo. Okay. Merong merit or increase or favor kang matatanggap for the month of September. What else? Lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Okay. Hammock. Taking a vacation physically or mentally. Yeah. You deserve a vacation. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan ng pahinga ang inyong isip. Madami kayo sigurong iniisip, no? Okay. Let's see. Message from the Spirit for Cancer. When a door doesn't open, don't waste your energy trying to make it open. Okay? It is closed for a reason. You are being redirected to something far bigger and better. Endings are part of the cycle of life. They make way for wonderful new beginnings and opportunities. Okay. One more message from the angels. For Cancer. Visualize abundance in all forms. God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings. And that is what you will experience. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Cancer. All the best. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!